Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a decorate with me video because I did the shopping video for Christmas decoration shop with me. Also, this lighting is so tragic. I look like Evan Peters right now. I am so excited to be filming this video. As you guys know, I love Christmas decorations and I decorate my Christmas tree with you guys. I decorate my entry table, kind of take you guys through all of that, which is really fun. Very realistic look at how I decorate it because it took a lot to get here, and as I look over on my entry table, I still need to take the tags off of all the trees that I got, so probably do that before like I post this video. I wore the same sweater for 3 days because I wanted it to look like a whole continuing video. So if you guys like these kind of videos, be sure you stick around by subscribing. Also check out my Instagram, it's Belle Elizabeth. And yes, a horn. Did I just blow dust onto you? Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, here is our entryway. I have to do a lot of decorating. I have to completely figure out what I'm gonna do with these plants because what I want to do with the entryway does not require these plants. So I don't know what we're gonna do with this situation. The tree goes up right here. Bought a bunch of bristle trees to go over here. But like I said, I have no idea what I want to do with it. So let's just, I guess, get the tree up first. Why do I look like the girl from The Ring? I will be doing my best to link everything in the description box for you. For the tree, this is the tree we have. I bought it from Michael's. Pretty sure I got this last year before Thanksgiving, so I'll do my best to find one. As I'm putting this Christmas tree up, oops, I dropped my phone, typical. I wanted to talk to you guys because I am doing a lot of stuff over on my blog this holiday season, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it in the description box below. I just feel like you guys will really enjoy it. I'm doing a whole post on Christmas movies and all that good stuff that we all love, and then also a lot of blog content when the sales start going up. I know Farfetch is almost already starting, which is crazy, and there's so much good stuff over there, as well as like holiday wish lists, like what I'm asking for. Last year we asked for garbage cans, so who knows what we will ask for this year, and who doesn't love extra content, you know? Okay, so something I got asked a lot about were the difference between like the amber gold lights that I picked up from Hobby Lobby versus the ones that are on the tree, and as you can see, these ones are very much warmer and oranger than these ones, so that's how they compare. I actually put the amber lights on and it looked so good, but unfortunately it's not showing up on my camera, so we're gonna hop over to my iPhone real quick. Okay, you can kind of see how different it looks compared to how sparse it was up there. I'm into it. We are clearly in my kitchen now, and I'm trying, well, these are my plants. I had to move them out here because that's where the tree usually goes. I have all of these bins and I was so dumb last year and I didn't write what was in them. So if you guys are decorating for the first time, don't be stupid. Take a piece of like masking tape, like the blue or like beige colored one, put it on the box and write what it is inside of it, because I have no idea which one my garland is in, and that was my dumb fault. So in this box we clearly have pillows. I used this garland thing that I got from Target years ago as my tree skirt because I don't have one that's like the proportional size for my tree since it's a tall skinny tree. Ooh, I got this at the thrift store last year. That's cute. I'm guessing it's in this one, but it could be in this one as well. Oh. My garland is from that collection that Target did with those people from that TV show that I can't think of. I only have 3 strands, so it's gonna be interesting trying to figure out how I'm supposed to do this evenly. I need to go look at pictures from last year because I truly don't understand how I did it. Does that look good? Doesn't that one look like it's a good swish amount? I don't know. This is like a Sarah Belle special. Like, let's watch Sarah mess up her tree. Nice try. It's like a triangle right here. If your background doesn't look like this when you're actually decorating your Christmas tree, you're lying. So I'm just gonna be real with you guys. This is what my background looks like when I'm decorating my Christmas tree. So I feel like there's several approaches you can take when you're doing your garland, and I'm going to take the, oh wow, I just like woke up like this and put the garland on and it was all flawless. So we're gonna, after that failed attempt of putting on my garland, making it look good, I'm going to try one that's just like, I'm just F it, you know? So I'll update you guys if it's any good. It probably won't be, but whatever. Okay, I finally got the garland on. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look terrible. I got a little bit better, I think, as I got up. But whatever. Looks fine, I guess. But yeah, that is the garland. Like I said, I got that from Target. I know you can buy beads like this on like Amazon and a bunch of other places for garland, but I really liked this last year, so I bought it, and I'm really glad I did because I still really like it. Although it's kind of farmhousey for me, but it works. I like it. That is the garland. I've lost all of my light now because it's gotten dark. Now the next step that I do is I add in pieces that I got apparently from Hobby Lobby as well. They're like little succulent looking things. I love these. And then as you guys saw in my video from last week, I got these two. They're so good. They add a great texture to your tree and I really enjoy them. I mean, you just clip them on. They're easy and I love them so much. Finding the places where it's kind of like not full, and I just place those in there. Voila. I had a little place where this end of this garland and this one began, and it was just gross looking, so I just put one there. And then it was a little empty down here, so I put that there. And this is what it's going to look like once I have all of the cute little sparkly succulent things in the tree. I really just, like I said, like how much texture it adds and a little bit of different than your usual tree. I'm going to show you what I picked up from Target though. I got a few new ornaments and I'm going to put them on the tree. I got this one. It was $3. I like to layer with a bunch of different size ornaments, so I got these ones. Very Anthropology-esque, don't we think? Time to decorate the tree, I guess. Okay, so I personally like my tree to be like really full. I know that's not everybody's style, but that's how I like it. So as you can see, I have a bunch of different sizes of round ornaments. I got these matte black ones, I think from Hobby Lobby or at home last year, and then these little ones are all from Target. I think they add a nice little dimension, as you can tell. Look at my little dude. Hello, Miller. Yeah? You want to make an appearance? Hello. So I added the birds. I think they look really good. I made these pom-poms a few years ago. Super easy. You can watch tutorials on YouTube on how to do that. And there's just a bunch of like warmer tones on my tree, kind of to keep it from being like too farmhousey. Yeah, so it's really, really full. I still need to put a bunch of smaller ones up here, but for the most part down here is done. Oh my god, it's so cute. Now I'm going to top it off with my little rattan star that I got. Oopsie. My rattan star that I got from Anthropology last year probably isn't available this year, but I'll try to find something similar. And it never stays on top balanced, so it's just part of the aesthetic, I guess. So it is clearly the next day based off this hair. I am trying to tackle what is this entry table. What am I going to do with it? I don't quite know that yet, but we'll figure it out. Now that it is afternoon, you can see better like what the tree looks like with the ornaments and everything. I think it looks really, really good. As you can see, I like a tree that is filled to the brim. So I'm starting to lay everything out and I'm realizing I have so much stuff. Yeah, I apparently bought way too much for this, but like, what can you do? Okay, so this is what I have come up with so far. I don't know what to do. Genuinely have no idea where these two bigger trees came from. I don't remember buying them last year, but apparently I did. Anyway, I picked up these two Hobby Lobby nutcrackers. I'm thinking about staining them. I just don't know what to do. Also, something that you guys wanted to see was the finished result of when I DIY'd my nutcracker last year. This is what he looked like. And then these are how the black ones turned out that I just painted all black. This DIY probably cost me a total of $10 since I already had the paints and everything, but this one, really cute. I just took Mod Podge and took scrapbook paper and I put it on the little dude. Okay, here is the final verdict on the entry table. It turned out really cute in my opinion. I mean, it's a lot going on, but that's how I like to decorate anyway. I'm a maximalist or whatever the term is. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. This is from Target, that one's from Target. These two are Hobby Lobby. These feather ones are from, gosh, years and years ago when I first moved to Nashville, I think. But yeah, and then I thrifted this little horn thing, so pretty good. And I got this little guy up there, the Christmas tree looking all pretty and stiff. Also last year I got this thing, I think from Target, and it's got 3 slots, so Cody, mine, and Miller's stockings to hang from there. And then I just put 3 little trees over here and the candles burning. Looks pretty good. So that was my decoration process. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This headband's starting to give me a headache and I've literally only been wearing it for like 2 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.